Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. This is a special Halloween unboxing. It was an unexpected purchase, so when I came back to the United States from my trip, actually it had been a couple of weeks, I happened to stop by my local Louis Vuitton store, and part of the reason why was I saw someone holding this in the window. Anyway, it comes in the box, of course. So here it is in the dust bag, and I think you can probably guess from the handle which one this is. So this is the cans bag, or the con. This is the new version, which is smaller than the original one. This one is in reverse monogram. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I actually have another one, but this one had just come in, and then I'll show you the date codes a little bit later. So for the reverse monogram, you have the standard monogram on top, and then you have the reverse one on the body, as well as black leather trim. This one, unlike the black epi one, has gold toned hardware, but it has the same exact design with 4 metal feet on the bottom, and the bottom has the reverse monogram as well. It comes with a lock, and that's inside, which I'll show you. It has a shoulder strap. This one comes with a different booklet just about all of the leathers. This is the materials tag, so it's coated textile and calf leather exterior, synthetic lining, which is the microfiber with calf leather trims. And this is the product information. The item number is M43986. And here is the receipt. So this one is $23.40. You have the code there as well, the description. So in this video, I'm not going to go into too much details, because you can check out the one with the black epi leather one, which I show you what fits inside, as well as showing you what it looks like on for scale comparison. I'll probably be posting more try-ons with this one on Instagram, but probably not a full video on YouTube. And the black leather strap, I believe this one is the same as the epi one, but this one has the gold hardware to match the rest of the bag. And I do have the black one here. As you can see, it's exact same size and design, but just different materials. This one has the silver hardware, whereas this one has the gold. I did notice that some of the leather is different, so the back is smooth leather, and so is the epi one. But they actually feel different. I think they use different leathers. This one has a very slight texture to it, whereas this one is completely smooth. So I think even the handles, they use slightly different leather. For the epi, it's the completely smooth one. I think this one has a slight texture, but you can feel it in the back side of the bag. And I think they just source different leathers to use with the monogram as opposed with the all leather versions. I think more people like this version because it stands out a lot more, and you have the contrasting colors with the regular monogram as well as the reverse one on the bottom. This one is definitely more minimal, and I think this one was only a couple hundred more. So the price difference between these two, even though this one's completely in leather here, top and the bottom, it's not as much as other bags, and I think that's part of the brand's pricing strategy to move people to all leather goods, and I think they're starting to slow down their all canvas pieces except for special runway versions. So the date code for this one, which I don't think I talked about in the first video, I was looking around inside everywhere for it. So this one actually I forgot to talk about. Comes with the lock, and as you would expect is in gold. It's the gold tone lock, which matches the rest of the hardware for this bag, and it goes in the back here. So I already have it on the black version, and you can actually lock the zipper by going through that peg, and then you put the lock through it. So this lock would fit here as well. And I think most people just use it as kind of a back charm. I doubt you'd really lock this type of bag, because if someone really wants to get into it, they can probably just use a knife to open the zipper. I did notice there was a slight difference in the LV etch here as opposed to the black epi one. The black epi one is slightly thicker than this version. The date code for this bag is actually on the bottom of this flap, so it's kind of hidden until you know where to look for it. And that was the last place that I looked for it. Probably not going to be able to get it on the camera because I don't want to bend it up too much. But this one reads FL4128. So this was manufactured or created the 42nd week of 2018. Which means from the time that I purchased it, it was made only, I think, 1 or 2 weeks prior. So this is pretty much brand new. And it tells me that they're still making these. It's not necessarily any runway version, but it's just that I think it's a higher demand item. That's why the second they come to a store, usually they get sold pretty quickly. And probably if I didn't pick this up that day, I'm sure it would have been sold even that same day or that week, because there was already several customers asking about it and someone who wanted to purchase it over the phone. But unfortunately for them, it had just been sold when that person inquired about it. So this black leather also is a little different. It's using, I think, the same slightly textured leather, whereas this one's smooth. You can see a little bit more of the texture here, whereas this one is completely smooth. And I'll just show you some more close-up details of this. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and check me out on Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive contents. I'll post more pictures of this as well, and when I do wear it out, I'll definitely take some pictures of that. And I hope to see you in my next video.